You and your friends were having a pajama pizza party. It was getting a little wild. You were 18. Your friends were 18. And you all thought it'd be funny to order way too much pizza and watch some horror movies. Little did you know, it was gonna get real messy real fast. You remember shoving your face with cheese and pepperoni, laughing at the jump scares in the movie. Then suddenly, out of nowhere, the lights went out. You all screamed bloody murder, but then started to laugh it off. When the lights came back on, you noticed something horrifying. All of your pizzas were gone. The boxes were ripped to shreds on the floor. And in their place were your two pets, Doge the dog and Mittens the cat, who had somehow gotten into all of the pizzas. Now, normally, you wouldn't mind sharing your food with them, but this was a disaster. The cheese was on the floor, the pepperoni was on the floor, and now they both had a suspicious amount of sauce dripping down their mouths. But what was even more shocking was that they seemed to understand why. You were upset. Doge, the normally hyperactive golden retriever, was sitting there with his tail between his legs, looking mortified, and Mittens, the sassy queen of the household, had actually run away and was hiding under the bed. You let out a sigh. This was gonna take a while to clean up, but then you got an idea. You grabbed your phone and started recording. Hey, guys, you said, your voice filled with mock seriousness. I just wanted to let you know that if anything happens to me, my dog and my cat are the prime suspects. Then you started to list out the evidence. My dog has 372 calories worth of cheese stuck to his fur. My cat has a suspicious amount of sauce on her paws. And they were both last seen fleeing the scene of the crime. You paused, letting the weight of the situation sink in. I'm not sure if I'll ever see my pizzas again, but if you find them, please let me know. You ended the video with a dramatic flourish, throwing your hands up in the air. Justice for the pizzas. Whoever did this will pay. As you look around at the mess, you couldn't help but smile. Maybe it wasn't so bad. You had a great video for TikTok, and besides, what are friends for if not pizza?